Yeah, good evening everyone. Let me know, audio video okay or not? Yeah, good evening everyone. Let me know, audio video okay or not. So if you give permission, if you say everything fine, then we can start. Yeah, I'm expecting your answers. Let me know, is audio video okay or not? Good evening Janathan. Good evening. Janathan, post in the group, Janathan. Let all the people join. Ask everyone to join. Post in the group. All the people join in the class. Post one time, we can start. So what is the today's date? I think today's date is 12 or 13. I think last class happened when? When the last class happened? 10. Last class happened 10. Now today is, I think 10, 11, 12 is holiday. Now 13. Let me read the 13. Date is 13. 13, 10, 24, 25. Yeah, let's go ahead. I hope all the audio, video, everything is ready. I hope all the right audio, video, everything is ready. So let's start now. Right. So I'm writing now. So from now onwards, be careful. These questions are going to be very important. Right. Today's class is just starting now. Right. This is going to be very interesting class. Today's class is going to be very interesting. Right. So yeah, you can see now. Main for I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus inside while p is equal to 0, j is equal to 1, j less than or equal to n, inside p plus plus, j is equal to 2 into j, end of this, q is equal to 0, j is equal to 1, while I'm expecting answer for, right, from all of you. Please careful. J less than or equal to n, inside j less than or equal to p, inside q plus plus, j is equal to 5 into j. End of the while loop. So end of the for loop, end of the total program. Be careful. To this program, I am expecting answer from all of you. Right? To this program, be careful. What is the time complexity? I want, this is the question number 1. That is the question number 1. Question number 2, what is the q value? Find q value. Find Q value. These two things I want. Please go ahead. I want answer for this problem. What is the time complexity of this program? And one more thing is, what is the final Q value? Find Q value. This is the place where program is starting. Right? Language to language, syntax will change. Right? In the Python language, just know the syntax. Right? This is maybe, I think, right? Most of the people are familiar with the C language or C++ language. I written the syntax of that. Right? Python also same. Just remove the bracket. Just remove the bracket. It will become a Python programming. Just remove the bracket. It will become a Python programming. Right? Yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead, everyone try this. Everyone try this. I am expecting answer. Let's see how many people will give. Go ahead, everyone. Go ahead. I can give direct answer, but you may not feel that much interesting. Can you try to give answer for this? This program, what will be the time complexity? What will be the Q value? I'm expecting both the things from you. Today's class, this is the first problem. Today's class, this is the first program. Right? This program, similar program we done in the last class. Last class, similar program we done. Try everyone. No need to feel shy, no need to feel bad. Whatever you can, you please do it. Whatever you can, please do it. No need to feel bad, no need to feel shy. Here there is no Mahatma Gandhi to feel bad. All are Mahatma Gandhi, you are not Mahatma Gandhi. So no need to feel like that. No need to feel like that. All right, all are like you only. If you think you are dust, all are dust only. If you think all are great people, you are also a great person. So remember this. If you think all are great, you are also great. If you think all are dust, you are also dust. Here no one is there who is greater than you. Here no one is there who is less than you. If you improve, you will improve. If you decrease, you will decrease. Life is very simple. You want to decrease, you will decrease. You want to improve, you will improve. If you want to improve, be positive. If you want to improve, try every time. Yeah, I think I can give answer. I'm giving answer now. I'm giving answer now. Everything is ready. I'm giving answer. Please see once. What is this program time complexity? What is this program time complexity? Remember, there I think it is inner loops. Right inside for loop, there are while loops. But remember, both the while loops are not inner to each other. Both the while loops are not inner to each other. Right? Inside for loop, there are two while loops which are individual. Right? So we'll check one by one. right? If you observe clearly for loop, I think always I incrementing by +1, +1, +1. For loop is n time, right? For loop is n time. Everyone know this. This for loop is n time. Okay, I agree. Let's go to inside while loop, right? So when you start the first while loop, every time inside this while loop, every time P0, J1. Every time, each I value, P will become starting 0, J will becomes 1. This loop is going on. While J less than or equal to N, P plus plus, right? P plus plus, J is equal to 2 into J. J is equal to, right? J is equal to 2 into J. Remember everyone? J always become double. J always become double. So I think it is going to be log n time this loop will repeat. Because of always 2 into, so log n base 2. Because of this loop is repeating log n base 2 time, P also become log n base 2 because P is initially 0 every time loop is increasing. So it will increment by 1. So whenever loop is log n base 2 time, P also log n base 2 time. So each I value, first while loop is log n time. I value 1, first while loop is log n time. I value 2, right? First while loop is log n base 2. I value 3, first while loop is log n base 2 because every time J value will be initialized to 1. Every time J value will be initialized to 1, each I value J will become log n base 2. Each I value J will become log n base 2, right? Like that. Okay, perfect. Now let's come to second while loop also one more. Let's come to second while loop also one more. J is equal to 1, J less than or equal to P, Q plus plus, J is equal to 5 into J. J is equal to 1, J less than or equal to P, Q plus plus, J is equal to 5 into J. So this is the second loop. Let's check. Remember, it is the P. It is not N. Remember, it is a P. So Q plus plus, okay, J is equal to 5 into J. Here also always you are multiplying. So answer is log n base 5 because every time into 5. You know very well multiplication means into 5. Log n base 5. Log n base 5. So try to understand. Log n base 5. Q plus plus J is equal to 5 into J. Right now, I think some people are asking, sir, log n, where is the n, sir? It is not n, it is a p, of course. It is not n, it is a p. It is going to be log p base 5. Right? So what is the p? P is already log n base 2. So log n base 2. Log n base 2 outside base 5. But no one bother about base. Simply if you say log n, that is enough. I think J loop will also go log n time. Inside is base 2, outside is base 5. Right? Fine. I think if you observe clearly, each I value, first loop also going on, second loop also going on. But first loop is log n time, second loop is log n time. Bigger one is log n. Each I value log n. Each I value log n. I is equal to 1 log n. I is equal to 2 log n. Like that n time. Then I think the time complexity becomes n times log n. Because whoever bigger, I have to take log n and log n bigger. So n times log n base 2. So time complexity n log n base 2. Time complexity n log n base 2. I think time complexity no one having any objection. Time complexity no one having any objection. Time complexity is equal to big O of n into log n base 2. N into log n base 2. That is the time complexity. If anyone having any disagreement, sir, I don't agree. If you think that right something wrong, you can comment in the comment section. I will rectify. If you think I done something wrong in the comment section, you can comment. I'm going to rectify. So find Q value. Right? Find Q value. Let's check. What is the Q value? So do you believe or not? I is equal to 1. Value I am trying. Lack of space I am adjusting here only. Please be careful. I is equal to 1. I is equal to 1. If you see the Q value, right? Log n. I is equal to 1. Q value log n. I is equal to 2. If you observe, I think one more round, same thing will continue. Right? Wherever you stopped, again plus. I think log n, one more log n. It became 2 log n. Right? If you do I is equal to 3, one more time log n. So I think Q value becomes, I think one more log n. So 3 log n. So I think if you observe clearly, 3 times 3 log n, I think n times n log n. N times n log n. I think Q value big O of n into log n. Log of log n. Let me know if any objection. If anyone says that I have objection, let me know. I am thinking time complexity n log n, right? Q value is n log n. Please verify. Q value, how much Q value? So every time Q is incrementing by 1, by 1, by 1. So second loop is every time log n time. First time, right, Q value becomes log n. Second time, one more log n will be added, 2 log n. Third time, one more log n will be added, 3 log n. 3 log n. If at all n time, if you continue, n log n. I feel time complexity n log n, right? Q value is n log n. I feel this is correct. Anyone having any objection, let me know. Janardhan, if you have any objection, let me know. Janardhan, if you have any objection, let me know. Anyone having small doubt also? I don't agree, sir. I don't agree. You let me know, I will help you. Maybe I done wrong. Maybe I done wrong. Janardhan, maybe I done wrong. Let me know. Fine. Can we go further? Everyone, let me know if any issue. Sir, this is not, I didn't get, sir. You let me know, I will help you. Little doubt also, let me know. Yeah, fine. I think everyone is perfect. Janardhan, I hope you got it. Janardhan, I hope you got it, right? Fine, everyone is fine. Janardhan is fine. And Pavani also fine. I think so. Yeah, Saurabh also fine. Yeah, perfect. Perfect then. So I'm moving to next problem. I am moving to next problem. I am moving to next problem. Can you see the next problem? Can you see the next problem, which is going to be a little more interesting? One more example. One more example. Please be careful. Mean for I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus for j is equal to 1, j less than or equal to n. In the place of n, let me write I. Then j plus plus x is equal to y plus z. End of this. Actually, only one statement, brackets not required. So in the C language, inside the for loop, only one statement, actually bracket not required. In C also, C++ also, Java also. In all these three languages, inside for loop, only one statement. No need to write bracket. No need to write bracket. But in the Python language, forget about how many statements. One or many, no bracket at all. In Python language, no requirement of any bracket. I feel that itself is the drawback of the Python. That itself is the advantage also. Python language having one small twist. No brackets required. That itself is the drawback, I feel. That itself is the advantage also. The drawback is because of lack of bracket. Right? Inside the while loop, if I want to write something, suppose 20, right? 20 statement, one position right, I have to shift. 20 statements, one position right, I have to shift. Whichever you want to keep inside the while loop or for loop, you have to make sure all the people will go one position right while writing because of lack of bracket. But here you can write anywhere. In the same line you can write, in the multiple lines you can write, anywhere you can write. The only thing is where you want to keep inside the loop, keep brackets. So that is the advantage of Python, that is the drawback of Python also. Anyhow, language, every language differ by only syntax. I feel all the languages are similar, minor changes are there. If it is a modern language, some more features will be added. If it is a old language, some features are outdated. Other than this, nothing is there. Syntax and a few things will be added. Okay, perfect now, perfect. This program, what is the time complexity? Can you go ahead? This program, what is the time complexity? Please everyone try. Please everyone try what is the time complexity of this program. Today most probably we will complete the time complexity. Today most probably we will complete the time complexity. Check one time what is the time complexity of this program. Everyone try. Everyone try. Everyone try. What is the answer of this? Everyone should try. This is also one more interesting problem. This is also one more interesting problem. If I give direct answer, you may not feel actual problem. So go ahead. Two for loops are there. Remember, they are inner loops. There are two for loops. They are inner loops. There are two for loops. They are inner loops. Please be careful. Yeah, go ahead. But remember everyone, inner loops okay, but remember you cannot multiply blindly. Because of inner loops are there, I will multiply blindly. No, bhaiya. No. Some people are asking, sir, why, sir? Right? If you want, you can verify. What is the reason why you cannot multiply? I will say to you. First loop is n time. I agree. For I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. For I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. That is the first one, right? For j is equal to 1, j less than or equal to I, j plus plus. X is equal to y plus z. X is equal to y plus z. Right? Now see this one. If I ask you, first for loop is how many times? It's a normal, n time. Because you are doing I plus plus. Okay. Second loop is how many times? Second loop is how many times? It is also j plus plus. Actually, second loop also n time. If at all n is there here. Because of here I is there, I times. What is the meaning? Second loop is I time. What is the I? I keep on changing. So what I mean to say is second loop is based on first loop. In the first loop, current I value is 5, right? J loop is going on 5 times. In the first loop, current I value is 25. J loop is going on 25 times. There is a dependency. Inner loops okay, but there is a dependency. I loop, J loop, there are two loops. J loop is based on I loop. J loop is based on I loop. Try to understand this one. J loop is based on I loop, right? So if I ask you J loop is how many times? I time. So without knowing I, J cannot. If I value 25, J loop is 25 times. If I value is 10, J loop is 10 times. So what I mean to say is I is equal to 1. J loop is not n time. J loop is 1 time only. So 1 time loop is I is equal to 1. J loop is 1 time. I is equal to 2. J loop is executing 2 times. J loop 1 also, J loop 2 also. 2 times J loop is executing. I is equal to 3. J loop is executing 1 also, 2 also, 3 also. Means J loop is 3 times. It will continue like this. It will continue like this one. If I is equal to n, J loop is n time. J loop is n time. J is equal to 1, J is equal to 2, J is equal to 3, and so on. J is equal to n. So I think you got the clarity. That is the reason you cannot multiply. See, if everyone is same, then you can multiply. What is the meaning? I is equal to 1, J n time. I is equal to J n time. I is equal to 3, J n time. So 3 times n, 3n. 5 times n, 5n. 10 times n, 10n. N times n, nn. That is okay. But here, I is equal to 1. 1 time only J loop. I is equal to 2. J loop is 2 times. I is equal to 3. J loop is 3 times. I is equal to 1, n, J loop is n time, right? So some people are asking total how many times? Total. So total how many times if you want to observe, you cannot simply multiply. So I is equal to 1, J loop is 1 time. I is equal to 2, J loop is 2 times. I is equal to 3, J loop is 3 times. I is equal to 4, J loop is 4 times, and so on. I is equal to n, J loop is n time. So previously, I is equal to 1, J loop n time. I is equal to 2, J loop is n time. Previously, everyone is n. Previously, everyone is n. Now, everyone is not n. Everyone is 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. It will go to sum of n natural number, n into n plus 1 by 2. The sum of n natural number, n into n plus 1 by 2. So, I think a bigger function if you observe n square. So, final answer may be same, but right, they actually differ like this. It is the n times n times n square. It is the n times n, it is the n square actually. But this may be finally also n square. But remember, it is approximately n square. It is not exactly n square. But if you observe exactly, n square by 2, half almost, n by 2 is the actual answer. Right? Bigger function we are taken, right? N square. So big O of n square. So, right, approximately big O of n square. Remember, big O omega theta. They are approximate notations. They are not exact notations. They are approximate notations. So if n times n, it could have been directly n square. But here it is not directly n square, right? If approximately n square, actually n square by 2 plus n by 2. N square by 2 plus n by 2, so big O of n square. So the time complexity of this program, big O of n square. Actual answer is at n into n plus 1 by 2. In the option, n into n plus 1 by 2 there, take it. In the option n into n plus 1 by 2 is there, you take it. If it is not there, n into n plus 1 by 2 not there, then you can take big O of n square. If both there, both you can select. If one there, you can select one, right? Both are correct. One is exactly correct, another one is approximately correct. If both there, select both. Suppose you want to select only one, then select this. If both are there, if you want to select only one, select this. If you want to, selecting both possible, select both. Selecting both possible, select both. You may say that, sir, why you are not multiplying? Each I value same, I could have multiplied. Each I value same, I could have multiplied. Try to understand. Each I value same, I could have multiplied, but they are different. Some series going on. So this is called as inner loop. There is a dependency. When I can multiply is inner loops, no dependency, then multiply. Previous all problems we done like that only. No dependency, then multiply. No dependency, then multiply. So please be careful. I'm thinking everyone is absolutely fine. Let's go to next problem. Let's go to next problem. Right? Everyone be careful. Let's go to next problem. Just wait. I'm just copying from the one of the previous problem. One of the previous year paper question. I'm just copying. Just give me 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute. From the previous paper, I'm copying. Just 1 minute, 1 minute. I'm copying. Yeah, fine. Next problem. This is also nice problem. Don't confuse. This is also nice problem. Don't confuse. Main. So one of your previous paper questions. In the previous year question, this question is given. For I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus, for j is equal to 1, j less than or equal to n, j plus is equal to I, j plus is equal to I, x is equal to y plus z. Yeah, try to find out what is the time complexity of this program. Try to find out what is the time complexity of this program. Yeah, go ahead. Try to find out time complexity of this program. It is also a nice problem. Please go ahead. Try everyone. What will be the time complexity of this program? I'm expecting answer from all of you. I'm expecting answer from all of you. All of you, I'm expecting answer. Everyone try. Everyone try. No need to feel bad. No need to feel bad. If you try more, you will learn more. If you don't try, you don't learn. There is no great person here. There is no dust here. If you think all are dust, you are also dust. If you think all are great, you are also great. All are great means you are also there in that list. You are also great. All are dust, right? You are also dust. Go ahead, everyone. Go ahead, everyone. Yeah. So let me give answer. I think all people tried. All people tried. So I'm giving answer. I'm giving answer. Can you see this? No need to feel. No need to feel. All right. You are not getting and all. I will explain. I will explain this. I think if you observe, two loops are there. In this program, if you observe, there are two loops. Right? I loop is there. J loop is there. Two loops are there. Right? Let me check. Yeah. Perfect. So there are two loops are there. There are inner loops also. Any dependency, please check. So if you want to know dependency is there or not, very simple. Inner person you ask how many times. Inner person is, I think, every time you are incrementing by plus I. So remember, plus means division will come. So every time plus 1, n by 1 time. Every time plus 10, n by 10 time. Every time plus 5, n by 5 time. Every time plus I, n by I times. So J loop is n by I times. So it is based on I loop. J loop is n by I times. It is based on I loop. I is equal to 1. J loop is n by 1 time. I is equal to 2. J loop is n by 2 times. So let me write now. I is equal to 1. J loop n by 1 times. I is equal to 2. J loop n by 2 times. I is equal to 3. I is equal to 3. J loop n by 3 times. N by 3 times. So it will continue. It will continue. I is equal to n. I is equal to n. J loop. What is the answer? N by n times. Because always you are incrementing by I. Right? So if you are always incrementing plus 10, n by 10 times loop. If you are always incrementing plus 20, n by 20 times loop. If you always increment, right, j by n time, j loop is j by n. If j is n, n by n. Right? So something like that. I think everyone is comfortable till now. I think okay. I value 1, j loop is n by 1. I value 2, j loop is n by 2, and so on. I value n, j loop is n by n. So total time complexity, if you observe, right, I think add all of them. N by 1, I is equal to 1. N by 2, I is equal to 2. And so on, and so on. I is equal to n, n by n time. So if you common n, right, it's going to be 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus, and so on, 1 by n, which will goes to n into, remember everyone, this series, if you add properly, if you follow the total mathematics story, follow properly. If you want, you can verify also. This series total sum is approximately log n base 2. This is the one important thing which you have to remember from this problem. So the time complexity of this problem is big O of n log n. So from this problem, I want to say this series also. Remember 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 and so on, 1 by n. That series value, right? Approximately log n base 2. Approximately log n base 2. So n into log n base 2. So approximately n log. From this problem, this series also remember. From this problem, right? This series also remember. What is the series? 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus and so on. 1 by n. 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus and so on, 1 by n. Fine, I hope everything is fine. Let me know any objection. So from this problem, you should learn this series. From this problem, you should learn that series. Answer is n log n. Answer is n log n. Someone is saying that n square. N square, I don't think so. Art by heart. Art by heart. Bhaiya, art by heart bhaiya, it is not n square, it is n log n. It is not n square, it is n log n. Please careful. Art by heart. Right? It is not n square, it is n log n. Let me know if anyone having any objection. Remember, inner loops, dependency there, you cannot multiply. You may get most probably one series. You may get most probably one series. You have to solve that series. What are the series you got? Right? N by 1 plus n by 2 plus n by 3 plus and so on, n by n. which will goes to n common 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus and so on 1 by n. That series is log n into log n log n. Answer is n log n. Let me know anyone having any objection. Let me know if anyone having any objections. I have this objection. Let me know, I will help you. If you have any objection, let me know, I will help you. Check everyone. Can we move to next problem? Can we move to next problem? Can we move to next problem? Check. Fine. Can we go next problem? Yeah, let me try the next problem. I'm giving the next problem. Be careful, next problem. The perfect. It is also next problem, also very nice one. Let's check. Main for I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus, I is equal to I plus 7, I is equal to I into 9, I is equal to I power 4. Next one, something like exit main for I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus, I plus is equal to 7, I plus is equal to 9, I plus I into 10, I into 5, end of the for loop, exit here also bracket there. Yeah, can you go ahead? What is the answer of this? What is the answer of these two problems? What is the answer of these two problems? Can you check one time? I'm expecting answer. I'm expecting answer from all of you. Please, can you try this? I'm expecting answer from all of you. Can you try this? Try everyone. Yeah, please check both the problems. Please check both the problems. Please check. Everyone do. This is going to be interesting problem. These two problems are interesting. So I will try. I think you done this. So let me give answer. You done this. Let me give answer. So here if you observe clearly, in the first problem if you observe, I is equal to 1 less than or equal to n condition. See, I is equal to 1 less than or equal to n condition is true. Because of true, you are coming inside. Inside you executed this. Exit means come out of the program. That means this loop is run one time only. Time complexity is order of 1. Because of exit, you exited. Because of exit, you are exited. But in the second problem, if you observe, after loop over, then only you are exiting. But remember inside loop, I incremented, normal addition, it don't affect, but multiplication, it will affect. Multiplication, it will affect. It is also multiplication, it will affect. Suppose one more thing is there, I is equal to I power 4, it will affect more. If this also there, it will affect more. Suppose this is not there, right? These two will affect. Right? So last line is not there, those two will affect. So if last line not there, then what happened is multiplying by 50, log n base 50 will come. Suppose the last line also there, comparing log n is more dominating, means it will grow more faster. So log n. So if last line is there, log n. Keep the last line also. This loop will repeat log n time. Because of this person, this loop will repeat log n time. Right? What is the base and all? What is the base? Really not required. If you want, you can write base also. Really not required. So I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus, continue until this condition will happen. Until this condition, initial value. Maybe that time, because of this I power, it may be some number. Take 10. Initial number, take 10. So initial one will come inside. Power thing will come in the second place. Power is I power 4. 4 will be here. So the time complexity of this program log n. So last line also you take I is equal to I power 4 you take. Because I written here, I want to write here also, I forgotten. But remember, after for loop is over, exit. But here, one time you executed, then exit. One time you are executing, then exit. One time only, then exit. But here, after loop is over, log n time loop is over, then exit. So second program time complexity log n. So today, if you observe clearly, from here it is started. 13th, today it is started here. It is a problem number. Previous problem number is 26. It is the 27. Example 27. Which contain two parts. Example 28. Example 29. Example 30. Example 31. Example 31. Yeah, we'll see a few more problems. Before going to the further problem, let me explain this also. Let me explain this also. So if you like EPT classes, you can inform to your friends. They can use your code. You will get the referral amount of 50%. And right, if anyone is not joined that, if you are preparing for 2027, or 28, you can happily join this course, foundation course or regular course. You can join. Small doubt also there. You can WhatsApp us. This is our WhatsApp number. You can WhatsApp us. Small doubt also there. It is our code EPT 610 EPT. You will get the 80% discount because of Diwali celebration is going to be start, right? So we are giving the 80% discount. For us, money is not at all a criteria. We want to help students as much as possible. That is the reason we are giving 80% discount. So this is the WhatsApp number. Little doubt also there, you can ask us. This is the code you can use. You will get the 80% discount. You will get the 80% discount. You will get. Next one, right? Last, right? 10th of this month, All India level mock test is happened. 10th of this month, All India level mock test is happened. Right? Approximately 2,700 people are 2,700 people are participated in the mock test. Right? October 10th means a few days back. October 10th happened. There, right? Test is happened. 2,700 people. So these many, right? These many people are active. They are started writing the test series. I request everyone start writing the mock test. If anyone is not written, please start writing the test. 2,700 people are written the mock test. Right? If anyone is not written, so please start writing. Right? AIMT 4 is going to be, right? AIMT 4, right? 4. It's a very tough test. Very tough test. It is a very tough test. Right? Please be careful. AIMT 4 is a very tough test. Right? So if anyone is not attempted, please attempt. So these are the AIMT 3, right? Test winner. These are AIMT, right? 3 test winners. Very soon we will display AIMT 4 test winners also. Those people who are looking for a job, they can join the 100% job guarantee course. Right? So these are our toppers, previous year toppers, and last year toppers, previous year toppers, all combined. These are our toppers. I wish in the next year I will keep your name also here. I wish next year I will keep your name also. I wish next year I will keep your name also. So my request to everyone, please start practicing the questions. Please start practicing the questions. I want to see your photo also here. Yeah, just wait. Yeah, I want to see your name in the toppers list. I want to see your name in the toppers. Next year, this and see, these all are toppers. Many are there, many are there. I cannot keep all, right? Many are there. Many are not 1 person, 2 person, many are there. So I request everyone, please study properly. Please study properly. And you use these, right? Use these resources also. Right? Gate PYQs are there, 6,000 verified questions are there. Right? Daily tests are available, mock tests are available, doubt solving, 24/7 doubt solving is there. 24/7 doubt solving also there. I am there. There are 20 people who are solving the doubts. And right, 2027 people, they can join the regular course or foundation course. 2028 people, 2027 people foundation course, 2027 people regular course, right? Crash course and test series and RIC course, 2026 people. These are the people who placed in big companies. These are the people who placed in the big companies. Big companies, these are the people placed. There are many people, 10,000 people are there, not 1, 2. 10,000 people are there who are placed in the big companies, but we shown few people. Right? So you people can join the DSA system design course also, programming course also, full stack web development, app development course also, and the Oracle database course also. You can join whatever course you like. Right? Now let's go to our problems. Let's go to our problems. Until now I done the 30 problems approx. Until now I done the 31 problems. Right? In the next class, 31 problems I done. Right? In this batch I done more problems. In this batch I done the more problem. 31 problems I done. Not 1 problem, 2 problem, 31. In this batch I done the many problems. Tomorrow, because of it's almost time is over, tomorrow I will start the asymptotic notation. Actually today itself I want to start. Tomorrow I will start the asymptotic notation. 31 problems. Not 1, 2, 31 problems I done. Right? I will provide the notes also. It is better to you make your own notes. It is better to you make your own notes. However, I will provide also, right? Best thing is please make your own notes. Without DSA, your own notes in the CSE, you don't achieve anything. In CSE branch, you don't achieve anything without writing DSA notes by your own. I request you, please write DSA notes by your own. 30 problems I done. Asymptotic notation. One more 30 problems I will do. These two things, if you okay, most of the algorithm subject you are okay. Right? In the tomorrow's class, we will see. Tomorrow, 6 o'clock sharply, I will start. Today 6:30 because of traffic jam and all. Right? Tomorrow, exactly 6 o'clock, I will start. If anyone is not taking the course, I request you, please take. 80% discount going on. Best discount. Our goal is never be a money. Money is never be my requirement. 80% discount I given. 80% discount. So use code EPT 610 EPT. EPT 610 EPT. This entire week on the YouTube only classes will happen. Right? Next Monday onwards classes will be there in the EPT. Next Monday onwards classes will be there in the EPT. Okay, fine. So thank you. See you in the next class. Thank you so much. See you in the next class. Thank you, Jonathan. Thank you so much. Thanks, everyone. Art by heart. Thank you. Thanks, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. So nice of you. Right? Small doubt also there. This is our WhatsApp number. You can join in the group. You can ask the doubts. Little doubt also there. You can join in the group. You can ask doubts. This is our WhatsApp number. Little doubt also there. I'm saying to you next week onwards. Next week onward, this subject will go very fast. Next week onward, this subject will go very fast. 888-208990 is the WhatsApp number. Little doubt also there. You can ping us and you can ask us. Little doubt also there. You can ping us and you can ask. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Janardhan. Thanks, everyone. Thank you so much.